Ooh, there's some movement. Okay, let's see. Yeah. All right, the 5 minutes looks great actually. Look up, amazing. Yeah, so we can see the 5 minute OB actually is reached, tagged. It's a great point. What we took is a short from here. Why? Because there's liquidity below. So this is the FVD up. So there's liquidity below here, right? And then we've got more here. And even more over there. And that's kind of the target for the day. The Asian low, we want to target this. It'd be great. Doesn't mean that it's going to go, but if it goes, that's amazing. Yep. Put some music. Oh. Actually, I wanted to check something. Yeah. Where's this view? I shouldn't do this. You might see. Ah, okay. Here you go. Oh, so it means. Okay. All right. This perfect. That here. All right. Amazing. Well, now we've got time, right? What about BTC? BTC USD. Okay. You know what? I need to ask the developers to. Where's my OBS again? Ah. Wow. Okay, so this doesn't work for me. All right, maybe. Oh. What the hell? Okay, maybe like this. Let's try. All right. Yeah. Sounds a bit better, maybe. I can't squeeze it more. Okay. So I was saying, I need to get the developers to change this because I need to change everywhere for now. Not a big deal, but and we'll keep one just to check how is it going. Okay, so here on gold, we do not want the price to go for now and to close higher than here. 40.36. But let's see. For now, looks good. Again, what we reach is this level first. So we took a trade just a couple of minutes ago. Let's see. Ah, okay. Cool. Up. All right. Yeah. So this new setup is quite cool. Now BTC. Okay, let's see the pre-session brief. Pre-session brief. Yep. We've got it here. So session outlook. Base case. So London opens inside 49.3. Yeah. Okay. To 60 range. Correct. Yeah, it did. A sweep of 59.4. Yeah, okay. We're there. We're there. All right, that's the sweep. And 59 liquidity and rejection back above 59,500. So no. Why? Because I think, yeah, okay. So the brief was here. So I need to, okay. I need to put this as UK time. UK time would be +1. There you go. Sorry, I was looking for something else. Okay. So 8 a.m. Okay. So the brief, we wrote the brief from here, right? So the expectation was during the session of London, which is not even halfway, one scenario was to go, yeah, above, sweep these levels by the bottom, which it did, basically, and then failed. Now it's starting again to come back to these levels and that levels, because these levels here, there's a cluster which brought the level lower, right? So that cluster is really important. We need to close above this one. To close above this one, we're waiting for it. But what we could do now, let's finish the brief first, right? So a sweep, then rejection back above 59,500 could offer a scalp toward 60.3. Yep. So we're not in that scenario for now, right? For this scenario to activate, it means that we would need to close above that level, right? And confirming above this one. Then we would reach these levels. potentially sweep that actually to eventually go to Asian high, right? So that's one scenario, but for now, not activated. It's actually the odds are more into the second scenario, which is downward trend. So we've got an acceptance below. So that's the second scenario in the brief, right? We've got an acceptance below 58,900. Correct. Oh no, 58,900. Sorry, my bad. Definitely not yet. Not there yet. On 15 minutes close, exposes 58.4 and opens the door for 57.8. But that's on higher time frames, right? It's not for today. I mean, you never know, but I would expect it to happen in the course of a week, maybe. So later in the day, upside invalidation for shorts sits at 15 minutes close, both 60.6. 66. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, if it closes above that, definitely we are in an uptrend, right? So, and then we will fill the gap to 61.5. Okay. So what I'm looking at right now is on BTC is one scenario which is closing above that level, which would bring us potentially to Asian high. It could still happen, but for now, that's not what it looks like it's going to happen. Especially we didn't close above that level, we just closed below. It doesn't sound good. So here sounds like we're going to do new lows lower than these lows, right? And these lows, okay, there's liquidity here. That's possible. So let's see a bit the SMC. Auto B. Okay, all are burnt. No problem. We'll go on 1 hour. Okay. It's decent. Really decent. Okay. We'll keep an eye on the 3 minute. No. Too low. 15 minutes. There you go. Up. We'll just keep it here. And look at this one. Just closed below the OB. Right. So just tagged this level. Excellent. Textbook. It's really important. Now our stop loss is just above this. Well, why? Because if we close below, above midsection of this block, so this level, then it means potentially it's going to go higher, right? And we want to avoid that. Definitely. Definitely. Up. All right. Okay. So this stream is going to be rather short. Let's look at maybe I want to see NQ. Maybe. We could. New platform, new tickers. What is that? How come? NDX maybe. Oops. No. Yep. Okay, got it. Looks like no gold maybe. I've got a window. What is it on a window then? Bananas. All right. Thank you. My God. Why can't I find it? What's going on? Okay, we'll fix this another time. ETC. ETC USD. Perp. Boom. Okay. On trend. 4 hours. Beautiful. Beautiful textbook. Textbook, we love this. Why is it so simple? So simple. So we've got this. And just that move. So we're on the 3 minutes, right? Checking my account, my broker right now to see a bit of profit. It's important. Not at the TP1, but it's going to come. It's going to come. Maybe. You never know. You never know. Let's see. Oh. Oh yeah, I wanted to check this one. Hey, let's put some music, like I said. You shouldn't hear it. But well, it's for me, right? I need to be inspired. Okay, so let's go in 1 minute. A bit. I'll put BTC here. USDT, burp. Up. 15 minutes. Oof. See what we said? That's what we said. Boom, this cluster, right? And then you go down to these levels. Let's draw this. Let's draw this. Let's draw this. Let's draw on the 3 minutes, maybe. Okay, BTC. BTC. I fear for BTC now. I fear for it. So that was our level. And we want to target. It's going to be a bit complicated to draw this. We want to target, oh, the previous day low. Well, yeah, previous day low. Whoa. Let's see on the 15 minutes. So we could tag this one. 59,765, let's say. And to be honest, even look here, it didn't manage to close above and reach that level here. So what we could expect is even a lower than this one. So somewhere here, maybe? I don't know. Let's see if there's anything interesting, maybe. So this one sweeps, went down. Wow. Could go high a bit. Wow, this candle. Okay. So going lower, could reach this level, maybe. Yeah. Hey, gold. What are you doing? Seriously. Give us what we deserve. 1 minute looks shitty. So, all right. I've got a tool which is not yet developed on the platform, but I've got a a first development. I'm not going to show it yet because I want to integrate it and test it a bit more. Not the system, but more like what has been developed. So it's called Volume Bubble. I'll go. Yeah, that's this one. Okay. So here. Massive shorts coming on gold. Wow. Yeah. Here you go. There's more even to come. That's interesting. Ooh. So there was actually we can maybe see a bit here. Let's put the 15 minutes maybe. Ah, yeah, fantastic. Volume profile. Look at this. So there's two things that I want to check. First, no, let's put UTC. Let's put UTC. Okay. I want to see since the beginning of the day. Yep. So from here. there are some shorts here. Some shorts are here. I'll take a bit behind actually. Up. Because I want to include the full downside. Up. Yep. So the shorts were here, right? So it means that some people, if you go below that, oh man, you go back over there, at least, maybe even to that level, where you can see there's overall a lot of volume around there. And it could stop somewhere here. There's a gap here, okay. And here there's more shorts. Yep, to try to go higher than this, if it fails right now, we could go to 39.50, okay. Well, it would be amazing because we took that position. So that's what I'm expecting. That's what I would love to have. But I'm not sure. Yeah. I managed to see that I need to reduce a bit my volume. Yeah. All right. It should be fine. Oh. Oh yeah. Gold 1 minute is good. Failed third time. Closed below that level. Oh gosh. Go. Yeah. Go. Let's go to the point of control. During that time, BTC, what we expected is to go a bit lower, and potentially, well, lower than this low here. Let's see. Here we'll put gold as well. USD. This is slash. Oanda. And let's put the 1 minute. Let's put the 15 minutes. Yes, I like it like this. Amazing. I need to fix my microphone. It's pretty loose right now. Give me a sec. All right, gold is playing with us, but that's fine. It happens. It happens every day. All right, so while I was fixing the microphone, gold went up. And so this was a fake out, most probably. Let's see. Because he could just tag again the higher here and then just go dump, right? Could happen. But let's see what's happening on the 15 minutes. So, okay, let's delete this for now. Yep, for clarity. Yeah, right. Quiet, quiet, quiet. So there is New York session in about an hour 15, which technically 1 hour before that's pre-market orders. This is quite good to get a first batch of liquidity, because there's a lot of volatility. So because of the volatility, they create pockets of liquidity, right? So 15 minutes and we've got the pre-market, the pre-orders. But at the same time, I might switch off the stream for now and come back in, well, 1 hour from here, like 15 minutes before the market opens. And I'd like to read a bit the brief. I want to establish the brief of the session for gold and BTC. And then I go through the brief really quickly. And by opening of the session, we're ready. For the short on gold, it's about to be stopped out if gold decides to go higher than this. It's okay. It's 1%. It's not much. It's part of the trading. But definitely, if it goes above that, we've got a good shot, like we said, to go. I need a 1 hour. To go to these levels here. To go to these levels here. Or even higher. Right? So then if we close above this, just tagged. Okay, we've been stopped out. It happens. Knowing that we didn't make the first TP. Let me check on my account. Okay, I need this off. Yeah, I definitely need this off because can't read much. And so annoying. What? No. No. I thought we took the trade from here, but no. I was like, damn, no, I was not even online here. So that's why. No, we took it here. Completely stupid. All right, let's see what gold does. Could just tag this level here and then go up. Let's see. That's really possible. So from here. Wait, actually, 50 pips. 1 TP. So break even. I mean, meaning that the trade, the benefit that we did covered the loss as well. That's how it rolls. Amazing. So we still have the full potential for later trades for US. Well, I'm going to sign off right now. And yeah, we'll do more later. But gold, BTC, yeah, okay. I guess NQ is going up, most probably. If it goes up right now, I expect it to go down later on. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yep. It went up. Went up to a critical level. What a scatter market. Wow, that's crazy. Daily. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. So NQ decided, wow, last session was crazy. Tokyo, okay. London is going to go up. Wow, we're almost there. Almost there. All right, let's see in 1 hour what it does. All right, see you in 1 hour.